In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set units and meters in AutoCAD drawings. We'll keep this clear and practical so you know exactly where to make the change and what it affects. Start with your drawing open, click into the command line, type units, and press enter. That opens the drawing units dialog, which is where you define how your drawing interprets measurements. Inside this dialog, the key setting we care about is called insertion scale. This tells AutoCAD what unit to assume when you insert blocks, attach external references, or paste content from other files. Open the insertion scale dropdown and select meters. Confirm the change, and you're done with the setting itself. From now on, when you bring in content, AutoCAD will treat it as being in meters, making it come in at the right size relative to your drawing. There's an important detail to understand here. Changing the insertion scale to meters does not automatically convert or resize any geometry that already exists in the file. It doesn't stretch lines, update blocks, or change dimension sizes that are already placed. Think of this as telling AutoCAD what unit system the drawing uses going forward, not a retroactive conversion tool. So, if your file was originally created in another unit, you will need to manually scale the existing geometry to match meters. The crucial part is knowing what unit the drawing was originally in and applying the correct scale factor. For example, if the drawing was in millimeters and you want meters, scale by 0.001. If it was in inches, use 0.0254. And if it was in feet, use 0.3048. Once you scale correctly, your measured distances will reflect true meters and any new content you insert will align properly with that system. A quick best practice is to decide on your unit system at the start of a project and set it with the units command before you begin modeling. That prevents mismatches later. If you're working with files from different sources, check the units first. Set your insertion scale to meters, and then bring in external content so everything remains consistent. To recap the essentials, open your drawing, type units, press enter, and change the insertion scale to meters. Remember, this setting doesn't rescale existing geometry. You'll handle any needed conversion by scaling your drawing manually based on its original unit. That's all you need to set units to meters in AutoCAD. Keep your insertion scale in meters, verify your source units, and you'll maintain accurate, consistent drawings.